Hello guys, today I gotta make a review for Crazy Town, Darkhorse. Released back in 2002. This one includes 11 songs and 2 hidden songs. This was the last album before Crazy Town went in hiatus. And then, after this CD, they released the new album just in 2015. Okay, as you can see, all the songs again. And let's see how this one looks from inside. All the lyrics. So if you will buy the CD, you know you will get all lyrics and you can sing together with Crazy Town. And let's see what's on the other side. Still all the lyrics. Oh, what you can see here. It's all the band. Crazy Town back in 2002. From this CD, the big singles was a song like Drowning, the song like Hurt You So Bad. This wasn't really best CD like the first one, released back in 1999, but I enjoyed this one much more than previous one. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.